Okay, everyone, never ever pull fire alarms in my house if I have my fire alarms hooked up. Never ever pull my fire alarm unless there is a real fire in my house, or if I give you permission to do it for a fire drill, or if I give you permission to test my fire alarm. But if it's not for those reasons, do not pull my fire alarm. That is not okay at all. So, if I have a pull station in my house, do not pull the fire alarm in my house for fun. If you pull the fire alarm in my house for fun, you will get in big trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police, and you will be kicked out of my house because it is a felony to pull my fire alarm. Bye.